Hey guys, this is Laura Youngword, and I'm with the Teen Suicide Awareness and Prevention Campaign. Did you know that about 2 people die every day from suicide in the state of Utah? And suicide is the highest cause of death in teenagers ages 10 through 18. For sure, these are some important facts to know. But even more important is knowing the signs that may help you realize that someone you know may be having suicidal thoughts. I want to tell you about a teenager named Michael Gaines. He was a junior at Ogden High School. He was an athlete, straight A student, and known for being a really outgoing person and a friend to everyone. From the outside, you would think he had it pretty good. So you can imagine when he decided to end his life, it was a huge surprise to all of his family and friends. What many of them didn't know were the signs to look for that may have shown he was having suicidal thoughts. 90% of teens who die by suicide have an underlying mental illness, depression being the most common. Everyone feels depressed sometimes, right? Life happens. We know there are going to be bumps in the road. So I want to share with you today some of the signs to look for that may show a more serious form of depression. If you or someone you know is feeling sad or withdrawn from others for 2 weeks or more, that would be something to be aware of. Overwhelming fear or even difficulty breathing at times. Significant weight loss or weight gain. Severe mood swings and intense worrying. You may even notice that they have difficulty sitting for a lot of the time. Now, I want to talk about the things that are really having the biggest impact on teenagers' mental health today. And here's a few. Academic demands, friendships and dating, relationships with parents, social media use, and peer pressure. Everyone is exposed to these things. So what's next? What do you do if you or someone you know is showing signs of suicide? Say something, be bold, and ask someone if they're having suicidal thoughts. Research has found that people are afraid to ask someone if they are suicidal because they don't want to bring it to their attention. What they have discovered was people who are suicidal feel very alone in their thoughts and usually don't tell anyone. When someone asks, it actually gives them permission to talk about it out loud. And they are much more likely at that point to ask for help. Here's the deal. Know the signs and then say something. The sooner you can talk about it, the closer you are to saving a life. So how do you get help? You've got to talk to someone you trust. A parent, a teacher, friend, that's the first step. Then there's always a 24-hour support line that you can call for Suicide Lifeline support at 1-800-273-TALK. That's 1-800-273-TALK. You can also go online and visit liveonutah.org for more information. That's liveonutah.org. If you or someone you know may be suicidal, say something. It's okay to ask for help. Thank you for listening today. And don't forget, you can make a difference in someone's life.